Welcome back to Mind Matrix. Today, we are diving into the recent reports about the human metapneumovirus or HMPV in China. HMPV is a respiratory virus first identified in 2001. Studies suggest that it has been circulating among humans for over half a century. It's a common pathogen that most people encounter during childhood. Causing symptoms are cough, fever, congestion, and runny nose. While generally mild, it can lead to more respiratory issues in young children, elders, and those with weakened immune systems. Recently, China has experienced an uptick in HMPV cases, particularly among children under 14 in northern provinces. This increase aligns with the typical seasonal patterns of respiratory infection during the winter months. Health authorities, including the World Health Organization, have stated that the current levels of HMPV and other respiratory infections are within the expected range for this time of year. Importantly, Chinese officials have not declared any state of emergency or implemented new lockdown measures in response to this seasonal surge. Despite official reports, a wave of misinformation spread online, suggesting that HMPV is a new deadly virus originating from China and that the country is entering another lockdown. These claims are unfounded. HMPV is neither new nor uniquely dangerous, and the current rise in cases is consistent with the seasonal trends observed globally. No new lockdowns have been imposed in China due to HMPV. It's crucial to rely on credible sources and official statements when evaluating such information. In summary, the rise in HMPV cases in China is a seasonal occurrence and not a cause for alarm. By staying informed through reliable sources and practicing good hygiene, we can navigate this season with confidence and care. Thank you for watching Mind Matrix. Stay safe and informed.